Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Harid Syahmi bin Mazlan. My matric card number is 074974. Today I'm going to present about our program Community Jom Troka Microsoft Access that organized by UNISA Campus Besut with SMK Batu Rakit and SMK Padang Kemunteng. Okay, first of all, I'm going to share our background that under the supervision of the social and ethics subject, each student from the Faculty Informatics and Computeran, also known FIK, was divided into a group and was given a task for the community program. Let's explore Microsoft Access. For this project, Fakulti Informatik and Komputeran organised the project called Service Learning Malaysia University for Society or SULAM. This program was held with the presence of student representatives from SMK Batu Rakit and SMK Padang Kemunteng. The program was held on 9 November 2022 at UNISA Campus Besut. Okay, our objective is the objectives of this program is to introduce the use of Microsoft Access to the younger generation. The end of the segment, they could be able to learn and apply their new ability in a real life situation. Okay, this is our tentative program at 7:45 to 8:45 AM. The students need to leave for FIK Tembila campus. At 9 to 9:30 AM, the school student registration. Students are distributed food and given groups, and the slot 1 begin at 9:30 AM to 12:30 PM. They need to learning session and quiz. There is an introduction to the database which includes definitions, concepts and datasheets. Exposure to the use of Microsoft Access software, and they need to answer the quiz, and they were given project like create a simple database by using Microsoft Access software covering table, form, query and report. Then at 12:30 to 1 PM, they were visiting the faculty environment, and 1 to 2:30 PM they will lunch and pray, and the slot 2 begin at 2:30 PM to 3:30 PM. Okay, this is our group organizational chart. First, Muhammad Ishak bin Muhammad Mardi was our facilitator. Ahmad Zulkarnain bin Mahmad Zuki was our questionnaire preparation. Ahmad Nakyuddin bin Muhammad Alias was our project implementation. Muhammad Ikwan Basri bin Mak Rahim was our report preparation, and last but not least, me, Muhammad Harid Syahmi bin Mazlan, was doing slide preparation. Okay, this is our task delegation. For the task 1 were given to Muhammad Ishak bin Muhammad Mardi. He need to assist high school students in the LDK. The task 2 was given to Ahmad Zulkarnain bin Mahmad Zuki, that he need to bring the high school students to visit the faculty. And Ahmad Nakyuddin bin Muhammad Alias, he need to do task 3, that he need to implementing the database before teach the other students. And last but not least, Muhammad Ikwan Basri bin Mak Rahim and me, Muhammad Harid Syahmi bin Mazlan, need to do the task 4 and 5, that we need to do report and slide presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ikwan Basri bin Rahim, and my matric number is 0748N69, and I'm here to explain about the next slide that we have. And the first part is I would like to explain about the implementation of the project. As you can see here, as you can see on the slide, as you can see, from 7:45 to 8:45 AM, the students from the school leave for FIK on the Tembila campus, and from 9 to 9:30 AM, they finally arrive, and We have a school student registration, and after that we have a student distributed food and given groups. Move on to the next slides. After we settle with the registration, from 9:30 to 12:30 p.m. on slot 1, we have a learning session and quizzes. As you can see on the picture here, we have an introduction to the database, which includes definitions, concept, and data sheets. Other than that, our lecturers teach them about the exposure of the use of Microsoft Access software. And after that, we also have the answer of the quiz session and some project, like we make there to create a simple database by using Microsoft Access software covering table, form, query, and report. And in the afternoon, from 12:30 to 1 p.m, we bring them to visit the faculty environment. From 1 to 2:30 p.m, we have a break for us to having a lunch and prayer time for the Muslims. From 2:30 and to 3:30 p.m, we have a slot 2, which is complete the project session. And after that, from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m, we have a slot number 3, the last slot, which is an closing, which is the opening and the closing of the program. And besides the ceremony, we also introduced to them about the faculty and programs offered at FIK. Move on to the next part. We have a lesson learned from the activity. As you can see here, this program may help improve communication skills. Good communication skills between mentors and students are important throughout the program. While instructing and guiding students, we must communicate in terms of polite communication as a mentor. This can ensure that all of the lessons topics are given to the students, that they understand what they are being taught and what they are be able to interpret it correctly. We can efficiently provide some information and lessons throughout student feedback to improve students' understanding of each Microsoft Access foundation that they already learned during that day. And for the conclusion and recommendation, in conclusion, a database is a tool that is much more efficient than spreadsheets at storing and organizing data. It makes it possible for a central location to be rapidly and readily shared by many users. A database can also store a lot of information. Users can log in from any location using just an internet connection and a basic web browser. Thanks to a web-based front end that removes the requirement for users to comprehend and interact directly with a database. Users are no longer required to comprehend and interact directly with a database. Additionally, it enables the execution of queries for the purpose of gathering data for different surveys. In my opinion, the requirements and tentative nature of this program are well organized. Also, there are some suggestions that, from our perspective, we can improve the program. This community program must be prepared in advance, at least 1 or 2 weeks before the event. The reason is to make sure the facilitator gets a clear tentative program, becomes more ready, and everything goes according to the plan. And for the last part, we have an attached module here, and the attached module titled Program Community Jom Troka Microsoft Access. As you can see here, we have the module that the students can see, and they can learn on how to make the database using the Microsoft Access. And I think that's all from me. Thank you very much.